Yeah. So good morning and welcome to another lecture of same semester one electronics, digital electronics, and we were studying De Morgan's theorem. Yesterday in the last lecture we have studied about the universal gates, basic gates, logic, and say some special gates, right? And we have completed almost De Morgan's theorem. We'll just brush it out the De Morgan's theorem again. So we were having this on the board itself, De Morgan's theorem. So there are actually two statements of De Morgan's theorem. The first statement was, remember this words, right? The words were the complement of the sum. This is a sum and the complement of that. So complement of the sum is equal to the product of the complements, right? So the complement of the sum ka complement is equal to the product of the complements. Complements करके जो उसका जो product आता है, they are equal. That is what is the first De Morgan's theorem statement is, right? So we have taken this A plus B complement must be equal to A bar dot B bar or A complement dot B complement. That is, and we have studied it in the form of a table. So today we'll try that in another format. Let us try one by one. So we are having four probabilities to give the inputs, and accordingly we will try it in four equations. So this can be one of the another method. So in the first situation, when we'll say that A and B equal to 0. So A equal to 0 and B equal to 0. This is the first condition that we are having. I guess the screen is visible and the words are readable for you. So if they are not, kindly let me know. So A equal to 0 and B equal to 0. This is the first situation. So try this and substitute the values over there in both the equations. So A plus B bar. So we are having this A plus B bar. So both are 0. So 0 plus 0 complement. So we'll have 0 plus 0 will be 0 and the complement of that will be 1, right? So this is left hand side, and on the right hand side we can say that A bar dot B bar, right? So we can put A bar means 0 bar dot 0 bar likewise, and the equation, the answer will be 0 bar, the complement of 0 will be 1. So 1 dot 1, now it will give you 1. So if you are able to see that the first condition is being proved, so here it is proved. So this is equation number 1. We can say that according to this can be proved. So this is say the first equation, and in the second equation we can again say like when A equal to 0 and B equal to 1. So when we substitute these values, A equal to 0 and B equal to 1, what would be the value of A plus B bar? Is it visible to you? So 0 plus 1 complement. 0 plus 1 complement. So 0 plus 1 will be 1 complement, and the complement of 1 will be equal to 0, right? Similarly, for A complement dot B complement will give you 0 complement dot 1 complement, right? So this is 1 dot 0. So 1 dot 0, that is AND operation, and it will give you 0. So hence the second condition is also proved. A equal to 0 and B equal to 0, in which A plus B complement equal to 0 and A complement dot B complement is also equal to 0. So the second condition is also proved. So on you'll have to go like, and in the third situation you can mention it, right, when the third condition, that is when A equal to 1 and B equal to 0, right? So in that situation also substitute the values of A plus B complement and A complement plus B complement, and you will get the same values, as this will be equal to 0 and that will also be equal to 0. In the last situation, I guess it is understood to you how we are going doing this. Have you understood, or is there any problem? So this is the third situation, when again it will be A equal to 1 and B equal to 0. So these two situations are near about same, right? So I'm not say explaining that. I'm going to explain the fourth one, that is when A equal to 1 and B is also equal to 1. In this situation, A plus B whole complement can be written as 1 plus 1 whole complement, and that is nothing but 1 complement is equal to 0. I guess it is visible. Yeah. So, and in the second
Sir.
situation, yeah, on the left, right hand side, we are having A complement dot B complement. Yes. Anybody? So I will just complete this and then we'll answer. So this is 1 complement dot again 1 complement, that is equal to 0 dot 0, and that is equal to 0. So again, if you are able to see all these situations, all these conditions can be explained one by one, or else you can put this in a table. So I have put it in the table, and these are all the 4 probabilities that we can give. I have written this in the another form, that is in the form of equations. Right? So this can be another method to prove that A plus B whole complement can be written as A complement dot B complement, and hence prove, we can say like this. So this is how we can. This is another method to prove the De Morgan's theorem. Is there any question? Is there any problem on this? Yes, Manish. Have you understood? Yes, this was actually the genuine question, and this can be say in different books or notes. We'll be having a different sorts of say explanation to prove that this the first statement that A plus B complement is equal to A complement dot B complement. So this is the easiest method in which we can go, that we are putting all the probabilities over there and then we are substituting it accordingly, and we are checking it that these two columns remains the same. The second statement is like this: the complement of the product. So this is a product, and the complement of that, that is the product of the complement, is equal to the sum of the complements, right? Sum of the complements. Remember the words. This is the statement which we are expecting you to write in your exams, right? So this is complement of the product, right, is equal to sum of the complements. This is the second statement, and you can prove it in this fashion also, which I have shown over here in this table. And similarly, you can put these values like likewise, and you can prove that also. I guess you have understood this. So shall we switch to another topic? Is it okay, everybody? Yeah, can you give me a thumb or anything like, so that I could understand? Yes, you have
Yes,
understood.
sir.
Thank you, Sumit. Oh, great, 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 great. So I am expecting your feedback from your side so that I should know whether you are available, present there or not. So yeah, we'll start with another topic, that is the universal gates. Now, why these gates are called as universal gates? This is a question which is frequently asked in your vivas, practical vivas. Why this NAND and NOR are only called as universal gates? And the answer to this is because all the gates, all the basic gates as well as the universal gates can be derived, can be implemented by using this simple gate only, right? So we can use those gates and we can build up any of the gates. That means if we say that universal NAND gate, so you can build NOT gate using NAND gate, you can build AND gate using NAND gate, OR gate using NAND gate, and say XNOR, NAND gate using NOR gate. Similarly, this is all. So all gates can be built by using this particular gate, and therefore they are called as universal gates. So we won't require any other gates to build this, right? These same gates. So now how we are going to do that? That is what we are going to study in this today's topic. So I expect from your side, we'll be studying one of the gates. Kindly let me know which gate you want to study, and the other gate I am expecting from your side that you are able to do that. So yes, so universal gates. I guess you have understood why we call them as universal gate, because all the gates can be built by using, can be implemented by using these gates, and therefore they are called as universal gates. So which gate we will study, and I'm expecting the other gate that you are going to do that for me, right, as a homework. If you, even if you are not able to do, let me reciprocate to me. I will also explain that also. That is not the issue. But I want you to try something. Yeah. So which gate we will try? NAND gate or NOR gate? Anybody can unmute and tell. Let me know. Yes, Nancy.
NOR. NAND gate, sir.
Okay. सबसे पहले आया है NOR, तो we'll go through NOR, right? So NOR as universal gate, NOR as universal gate, right? And this is what I am expecting you to write in your practicals also. So NOR as universal gate. So we are having two practicals on that. How we are going to use NOR as universal gate. So what so what I've told you that to build any of the gate, we can use NOR gate, right? We can use NAND gate or two in that sense. So now to build the first gate. So first gate is not gate, not gate using NOR. This is what I am expecting you to write. Not gate using NOR, right? So how you are going to implement that? Not gate using NAND. So I will use the symbol of NOR gate like this. So this is the first gate that I'm trying to build. So this is a NOR gate, right? So these are two inputs, A and B, and this is the output, that is A plus B whole complement. Is it okay? This is the basic diagram of NOR gate. Now, how you will convert this gate as a NOT gate? So, what you have to do in NOT gate, there is only one input and one output, right? So, what I am trying to do is I am making this connecting or say joining these two input terminals, and I'm taking it as only one. So, I will be having A as the input, only one input, and at the output this will be changed to as a complement, which implies that whatever you are supposed to give over here will be given to both the inputs, and accordingly the output is going to be the complement of that, right? So this is how you can make a, sorry, uh, not gate using NOR. Similarly, in NAND gate also you have to do the same arrangement. So this is what I'm expecting from your side. So this is a NOR gate, and this is how you can build a NOR gate, NOT gate using NOR. Have you understood this? The first gate, I have implemented NOT gate using NOR. First statement. In the second part, what I am trying to do is I will try another gate. So I will try OR gate. OR gate using NOR, right? So OR gate using NOR, right? So I will be using two gates. So this is first NOR like this. So I am having two inputs, A and B. So I am having an output like this, A plus B bar, right? So if I give another NOT gate to this, I might get, acha, this is what? This is a combination of OR plus NOT. So it had formed NOR gate, right? If I add another NOT gate to it, then it will again be read back. So that is yeah, this is what I can do. So I will use this NOT gate which we have prepared over here. I will attach that NOT gate using NOR like this, attaching this to the NOT gate. And now this equation will be y equal to a plus b. It was already complement, and we are having another complement because of this NOT gate. So it will be double complement. I guess it is visible to you. Is it visible to you? I put double complement over here. This was already complemented, and now I get put another complement. So I have two complements. So complement, complement. So I guess you have understood this. Uh, just hold for a second. Yeah. So what I have done, I have used two gates, two NOR gates over there. The first NOR gate, as it is, we are having two inputs. The output was y plus a plus b whole complement. And I put this NOT gate, which we have prepared earlier, built earlier, in front of that. So NOR plus one more NOT will give you y equal to a plus b complement of the other complement. So we are having two complements. And the complement of complement is A plus B, right? So this is some Boolean expression over there. So we are having two complements and they cancel out each other and we'll have A plus B. So this whole circuit is going to work as an OR gate. So I have built two gates. One is NOT gate, the other one is the OR gate. Now the third one, have you understood this? Two gates? Have you understood? Yes or
Yes, sir.
not? Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Now,
Yes, sir.
thank you, beta. Not or हो गया. अब we'll start with the another gate, that is AND gate, right? So I am switching to the third portion. So third gate is AND gate, AND gate using NOR, AND gate using NOR, right? So how now this is a little bit tricky. Now remember, this is a tricky one. Yesterday I have told you, if you put NOT gate in front of a gate, it is a different issue, and if you put NOT gate after the gate, then it is a different issue, right? So I'm trying to do that only now. I'm putting a NOT gate in front of that first. So we'll have three gates. We'll be using three gates. First, I will have two NOT gates like this. I guess it is visible to you. Again, I'm making this NOT gate by using NOR only. So I am using this first NOT gate by using NOR. I will tell this as A, and here it will come out to be A complement. Is it okay? Right? And I will use another gate that is like this. So this is another NOT gate, and I will call this as the second terminal, that is complement B. So I'm having two inputs, A and B. I have substituted to a NOT gate which is prepared from NOR gate itself. So it is giving the complement of A and this is giving complement of B. So we are having two NOT gates over there. Now we put this NOT gate to the NOR gate. So we are using this two gates likewise. This is a little bit tricky, and I am putting this to another NOR gate like this. Now, what happens to the output now? Since this is y equal to, now what it happens? So here we are going to use the concept of De Morgan's theorem also. So here we will be having A complement plus B complement and the complement of both. Is it okay? So what this is A complement. How we have converted? We have taken A, we have put it to the NOT gate, it got it A complement. We have taken B and we have complemented it, so it is B complement. Now we have given this to the NOR gate again. So what is the output of that NOR gate? That is A complement plus B complement, right? So yeah, some students still joining. So we are having this A complement plus B complement, the whole complement of it, right? So A complement plus B complement, whole complement. Now here we can apply the De Morgan's theorem. So what I will do, I will write this as X and this as Y. So simplify this. So we will get Y equal to X plus Y whole complement. Is it okay? I have just given A complement equal to X, A complement equal to X and B complement equal to Y. I am writing like this. So we'll be getting this output as Y equal to X plus Y whole complement. Is it okay? Now I am applying a De Morgan's theorem over here. The first statement of De Morgan's theorem, that was complement of the sum is equal to the product of the complement. Remember this. So I am putting over here as X complement dot your product Y complement. Is it okay? So X plus Y whole complement can be written by De Morgan's first statement as X complement dot Y complement. Now put the original values of X and Y over there. So X is equal to A complement. So I am having A complement plus this complement. So we will have double complement plus or dot, sorry. So B complement and I will have another complement over there. So complement and complement get cancelled and we get A dot B. Now this is the equation of AND gate. Have you understood this? How I have done this? So we have used two NOT gates before a NOR gate. Two NOT gates before a NOR gate, and it is supposed to give this equation of AND gate. This is the equation of AND gate, A dot B, right? So this is how you are going to convert this is how you are going to implement a AND gate using NOR gate. Have you understood this? Is there any problem? I'll again repeat that. What I have done, I have taken two inputs, A and B. I have substituted it to a NOT gate, which was prepared from NOR gate itself. So in all, we are going to use NOR gate only, right? And that is how we are going to show that NOR gate can be used to implement any of the gates. So NOT gate made up of NOR gate. So A will give you A complement, B is complemented as B complement, and then we have again attached to another NOR gate to it. So both the inputs are connected to another NOR gate. We are calling this input as X, we are calling this input as Y. So A complement is equal to X and B complement equal to Y. So the output will be Y is equal to X plus Y whole complement. Right? Now, by using De Morgan's first theorem, the complement of the sum is equal to the product of the complements. Right? Sum of the complements is equal to product of the complements. So X complement plus Y complement. Yes, I was expecting that. Okay. Yeah. So X complement dot Y complement. Now substitute the value of X and Y. So X is A complement. I have substituted. So it becomes A complement, A double complement, B complement and B double complement. And these complements cancel out each other and we'll have A dot B. Right? So I guess you have understood how I made AND gate using NOR gate. Have you understood this? Is there any problem? Hello? Are you there? Yes,
No,
Shreya?
sir.
No, sir.
समझा नहीं? फिर बता रहा हूँ सुनिए हम लोग क्या कर रहे हैं वी आर ट्राइंग टू मेक एंड गेट यूजिंग नॉर गेट अभी तक के हमने क्या किया है वी हैव ट्राइड टू मेक ऑल गेट्स यूजिंग नॉर गेट ओनली राइट सो अब उसके लिए क्या करना पड़ता है हमारे को वी हैव टू यूज नॉर गेट ओनली सो हाउ वी हैव इम्प्लीमेंटेड नॉट गेट फर्स्ट वी हैव ट्राइड दिस नॉट गेट by just joining the two inputs of a NOR gate and we have made it one. Since NOR gate is having only one input and one output, so I have made it A. So A, if you give to both the inputs, if it is 0, then both the inputs will be 0, the output will be 1. And if you give 1, so both the inputs will be 1 and the output will be 0. Just go through the truth table. So what happens? Whatever you give over here will be fed to both the inputs, and accordingly the output will be the complement of you. So this NOR gate, this circuit is going to work as a NOT. Right now, to prepare OR gate, earlier what we have done to make NOR gate, we have connected a NOT gate to a NOR gate. That is how the NOR gate was formed. So if you put another NOT gate in front of that, you'll be getting again back the A plus B signal, right? So this is a NOR gate, and I am joining a NOT gate in front of it. So it will be A plus B complement, and here it will be A plus B double complement. So the complement get cancels, and we will have A plus B. This is the equation of OR gate. Now, similarly, if you go for an AND gate by using NOR gate, what you have to do is you have to put NOT gate in front of the NOR gate. So I'm putting this. This is one of the gate. So I'm using it as one input, that is A, and using this NOT gate as B. So B will give you B complement. A is going to give you A complement. Right now, I'm substituting this A complement as X and Y complement as Y because to simplify that, right? And we are having two equations. So Y, this is capital Y. Huh? Capital Y is equal to A complement plus B complement. If you can write like this, then it's okay. But if you are not able to write like this, then put it simply X plus Y whole complement. Right? As we have written over here, A plus B whole complement. Similarly, we are having X plus Y whole complement. Now, using De Morgan's theorem, the first statement of De Morgan's theorem, complement of the sum is equal to product of complement. So I'm making product of complement, x complement dot y complement. Now substitute the original value of x and y. We have taken x equal to a complement and y equal to b complement, right? So I'm substituting those. Then we are having a double complement dot b double complement. The complement get cancelled, and we have a dot b as the answer, which is actually the Boolean expression of AND gate only, right? Have you understood now? I've told you all the three. We can repeat it in the last time, because you have to construct the all gates by using NAND gate. The last one, which is say the NAND gate. So how we can make this NAND gate using NOR? Can anybody tell me? अब सब मटेरियल जो है वो सामने है आपके, ये बन गया है एंड, तीन गेट यूज करके. कैन वी मेक NAND gate using or NOR? How we can make NAND gate using NOR? Can anybody? Yes, go ahead. If you put one more NOT gate in front of that, you will be getting NAND gate. समझा के ये जो हमने बनाया, this is a NAND gate by using NOR. So if you suppose to put one more NOT gate in front of that by using NOR gate itself, so I will be just putting this. So here the equation is a dot b. So we are having this equation as y equal to a dot b. Now if I put another NOT gate in front of this by using NOR itself, so we'll be having a dot b whole complement, which implies that now this whole circuit is going to give you NAND gate, right? So all the gates are being made by using NOR gate. NOR gate itself is a NOR gate. One gate is over. NOT gate using NOR gate. How you have made this NOT gate? By joining the two inputs of NOT gate and making it one, so that any of the input which is given to this input will be given to both the inputs, and accordingly will have the complement of that. So I am taking it as A, and the output will be A complement. So go through that, the truth table, and if you have 0 0, the output is 1, and in the last we are having 1 1, then the output is 0, right? So likewise, this NOT gate can be used, can be implemented by using NOT gate. Similarly, OR gate, you can make this OR gate as you have made NOR gate. So NOR gate was made by using OR plus NOT, right? Okay, screen is not clear, right? So I guess just remember this. When you come for the practicals, I will show you again, right? So this is OR gate. I'm just mentioning it. OR gate using NOR. So what you have done in NOR gate, you have just connected a NOT gate in front of OR. If you put another NOT gate in front of that, you will get back the as OR gate. So we have taken this. This is a NOR gate. I have again added one more NOT gate to it. Here, so A plus B complement. Here it will be A plus B double complement. And complement get cancelled, and we get A plus B. So this is how you have made OR gate using NOT. Again, for AND gate, you have to connect NOT gate in front of those gates. So NOT gate, I have made two NOT gates over there and connected to another NOT gate. This much circuit will work as AND gate, right? And this is the equation that we have done. And to make NAND gate, we can put another NAND gate in front of that. So I guess you have understood. We are running short of time. So I guess you try this for NAND gate. NAND gate is just similar to this. Just NOT gate can be made NAND gate just like this. Just you have to replace this. And for OR gate, now this will not become OR, but this will become AND. So AND gate using NAND gate will be NAND plus NOT. So NAND के सामने और एक NOT लगा दिया, we will be getting AND again. Here it will be OR gate. So OR gate can be prepared by putting NOT gate in front of the NAND gate. तो यहाँ पे NAND gate put करो, ये भी NAND gate रहेगा, you will be getting say OR gate. और OR के सामने और एक NOT लगा दिया, you will be getting NOT. So all the gates can be prepared by using this. I guess you have understood. I'll be uploading this video on YouTube. Go through that YouTube. Go through that video. If you have not understood, comment me. If you have any problems right now, you can ask me this question. I guess 1.5 minutes is there. So have you understood? Yes or no? Yes, I'm going to show it on you on say practicals also. So we'll be doing all these practicals. from this. So I guess you have understood. So we can end up the meeting. Thank you. Thank you very much for joining the class and viewing my videos. Go through my YouTube channel, like those videos, and we'll be coming with some more videos on digital electronics as well as say analog electronics. So thank you very much. Keep in touch and join soon. Have a nice time. Stay safe. Stay home. Stay safe. Take care. Goodbye. See you soon in the next class of digital electronics. Bye.